Alright, so today we're going to concentrate on our writing. Okay, it says read the following prompt and refer back to the Santa Fe Trail and the journal. So we got to make sure that we're using both these stories. Think about the two passages you have read. What conclusion about the Santa Fe Trail can be drawn from both passages? Okay, so conclusion is kind of like, what are your thoughts about the Santa Fe Trail? Type 2 to 3 sentences. You only need 2 to 3 sentences on there to explain. Use details from both passages to support your answer. So you've just got to say, what do you think the Santa Fe Trail was really used for? Kind of talk about things from both passages. If you need to go back and read them, please go back and read them. Okay, your next one is this one. It says, read the following prompt and refer back to the passages to type a response. Type an informative report. Okay, so it's an informative report. It's like what we did with the other story where it was a paragraph, not 2 to 3 sentences. So you're going to write an informative report about the Santa Fe Trail during the 1800s. So you're going to go back and you're going to look at all the things that you highlighted and what can you tell us about the Santa Fe Trail? Use facts and details from both passages. Be sure to use complete sentences and follow the conventions of standard English. So this is where it's your informative report. So this is where you're going to tell us about the Santa Fe Trail. What was it used for? What did they do? Using your information from both stories. Remember to take your time on this. This is not due until Friday. So maybe do one each day or try to do both, but make sure you do it right, because remember, I'm going to return it to you to do it again if you rush through it.